everyone, how are you today? And today I make a fish and a baby fish and like Cambodia called popcorn dry, yeah, popcorn dry, and khmer food original and countryside and riverside something. So with yeah, this one a small fish also, and chili and bok bok krương, yeah, and khtom. I don't know how to say English. Bok krương and khtom, yeah. Also in Cambodia called kasang, but I don't know English how to say. So you can see, yeah, kasang. When you eat, say like a mango. Very good, and with roti, yeah, roti and so something like sugar for sure. And you know, in Cambodia, #1 to say, and you know that it smells so good, rahok. Okay, now I make the khmer food original, yeah. Now I make this one first. Bok krương with lá cây and đen and lá croj. Okay, I do now. I make now. Food, Cambodian original food and country and countryside and riverside for sure. I don't know on how people like spicy, but for me, I big mouth, I'm strong man, like spicy. They I made for me. But for everyone maybe a little, yeah. But for me, I do love spicy. Yeah. And Cambodia call khtom. When make bok krương and also plop. Sorry. Countryside and riverside, always people need this one have to make like that. It's not like another country made in a machine, yeah, but Cambodia do in hand, yeah. Because when do like that and make very good food. Already I make kasang, yeah, but when you eat like the same tomato, yeah, good for poo. When I do, maybe you want to eat right now because look like same and a mango. Okay, I try a little bit. Chu, Cambodia called chu. Do a lot. And maybe food is not so long, it's just like 30 minutes something, yeah. fee. So I with this one and soccer. Yeah, and soccer can do one and a little bit more. Yeah. And Cambodia call BJ. Like so. Yeah. And with this one a little bit, not so much, because when you do with the prahok and then make you so too much sugar. So, oh sorry, so okay. Now I put the prahok, this one and fish, but Cambodian people and make prahok like but you country maybe say fish this one like broken, yeah, but in Cambodian it's not broken. And yes, smell not good, but people make prahok can stay for a long time, maybe 1 year, 2 years, yeah, but long time also very good, you know, red wine. When you do long time, it's like same red wine. So red wine, when you do how many times, like maybe 5 years, 10 years, but it's very strong, like that, and very good. This one the same, like prahok the same. When do long time also, and prahok smell very good and very good, not broken, yeah. When a fish you don't make prahok, yeah, for sure, it's broken for smell everywhere and road and riverside. Okay, now I make this one already, and you see color yellow, like beautiful and smells so good also. And then when I make this one already, also I make it with the fish, yeah, with the fish and with this one. I don't know how to say English, but Cambodia says lakchuk. I take from countryside and riverside. I love and a flower this one. Very good. Okay, I will show you and when I make. Okay, within 1 minute. Yeah, this one for make the fish and makeជាមួយគ្នា and then I go to downstairs and do like same barbecue baby fish in Cambodia like cọp ăn, yeah, like cọp ăn con trai, yeah, for sure. Now I make together. Already and make together for sure, like take this one first. I will show you one for clear for sure, like yeah. dancing and eat right now. No, people not cook already. I get to take time like, oh, smells so good. And you know, I'm an khmer, like Cambodian people like smell like prahok. I like that every day. And when I eat, not prahok, not spicy, not so good for me. I also I don't know how to say, like in Cambodia called mare prang. Wow, smells so good, yeah. And then you can mix together like that. I hope one day everyone will come to Cambodian can try and kop kon try Cambodian kop kon try food. Yeah, this one number one for me. I like that. Also, in Cambodian, like everybody like that for sure. When people stay in riverside, countryside, people will know is this food and original from riverside and countryside food. You can make together like this already, and then you have to put this one to do like this and go to like barbecue or something. Yeah, I will show you how to do it. I hope when everyone say already, not say hungry, want to try. Then you see with this one and like this, you can like this and like this. Cambodia say chop. Then like this already, you have to yeah, for sure I need something like this one. But too big. And need small. But cannot find, yeah, but it's okay, I can do. Yeah, have one already, one more. Wow, look very good. You can see color. Make me want to eat. Make me hungry right now. Every day I exercise. I want to look kilo, but when I looking in the food like that, how I look kilo. Also now I eat spicy. How I look kilo about when I to make food like that. Make me eat dry. Now I made already, yeah, and then. Yeah, you can come, let's go with me, you see, and then go downstairs, and then I will show you, and make like say barbecue. Wow, we love it. I take from Riverside. Okay, already soon. Okay, now already and crop try and Cambodia say crop try. Now I come to and I do make barbecue and Cambodia say okay, you can do like this about maybe 15 minutes, about 15 minutes, yeah, and then about you can eat. When you do like this already, you can waiting about 15 minutes and 10 minutes, and then you can eat, and then I will open, and for you looking good, want to eat or not, yeah. Already soon. Yeah, and outside, but inside everything smell good. Yes. Okay, try crop rồi hai. Yes, baby fish already. Oh my god, I don't take this one. It, yeah, you can look. Wow. Yeah. How you smell? You see? Wow. Oh, I forgot to take something to take, but I can do this one. Wait. Oh, so hot. Very good. And Cambodia called tray quap. You see? And amazing. Yeah. Okay. Okay, everyone. I just have a short video like that, and I just show and Khmer food original like countryside and riverside. Thank you so much for looking my video. I hope you and when you have time and can look my video again when I do new video for cook another food and Khmer food. Thank you so much. Have a good day and happy new year. Yeah, good luck for everyone and with your family. Enjoy time. Bye bye. Love you. See you when you see me.